We've always had it, but we just don't have it. Leghorn Chicken is a socially conscious, sustainable fried chicken sandwich shop. We are located in Ukrainian Village in Chicago, Illinois. We're really well known for our fried chicken sandwiches, which you can fully customize with hot or not, breast or thigh, biscuit or bun, and a signature house-made sauce. And people love our secret menu hack of fried chicken skin nachos. Everyone always loved our chicken and how great it is, and the skin was always our favorite part. So we took that, removed it from the meat itself, and turned it into an actual menu item all on its own. So we start with 100% natural, cage-free, non-antibiotic chicken. And we take the skins, fry those to perfection in our signature oil blend, season them with our signature umami seasoning, and then turn them into our nachos.
Solid.
When you take a bite into it,
Everyone's first reaction is always a little shocked. Chicken skins are not a normal item people would enjoy, but when they get that first bite, it's pure love from there. The chicken skin nachos, our secret menu item, are fully customizable. You get your chicken skins, our signature Merc cheddar cheese sauce, sliced jalapenos, and then one of our signature house-made sauces on top.
Nachos in window.
Since it is such a top secret menu hack, you won't see them on our menu board, but ask and you shall receive.